A plant in Salem, Massachusetts was closed Monday after 30 workers spent the night prior at a local hospital. In rather dramatic fashion, the plant workers evacuated in a panic after dozens of them reportedly experienced symptoms of nausea and shortness of breath. And the weird thing is, nobody really knows why. Sunday, June 23rd was already an unusual day at Thermal Circuits, an e-cigarette manufacturing plant. Fire crews were first called to the plant in the afternoon in response to a reported chlorine leak. The process containing the leak was shut down and the emergency workers gave everything the all clear. Unfortunately, less than 2 hours later, firefighters were called back to the plant. When they arrived, they reportedly saw a panic-stricken workforce as people streamed from the building. But firefighters say the previously addressed chlorine leak was part of a process that had not since been restarted, and that they couldn't detect any presence of the gas. So what caused the scary symptoms that sent dozens to seek medical treatment, including one person who reportedly experienced a seizure? Health and safety experts stayed on site until 2:30 a.m. Monday trying to determine the cause, but were unable to get any poor air quality readings. Though a spokesperson for the local fire marshal's office says it's not exactly uncommon for gases to dissipate before the fire department is on scene and able to catch levels with their equipment. And by then, the damage could be done. But what if there was another reason? The Boston Globe quoted Salem Fire Deputy Chief Alan Dion, perhaps indicating that the chaotic scene itself might have played a role. They all exited rapidly, which caused a mass hysteria in my belief, said Dion. A lot of people got very upset and very excited, he said. So was it all in their heads? OSHA was on scene Monday to help determine what caused the incident, but more than likely, we'll never know. I'm Anna Wells, and this is IEN Now.